everybody! So if you're having trouble with lab number 1, this is just a little example of how you can set it up to make it easier on yourself. So I have 4 sheets of paper with my 4 distances listed out on them. And then I have just marked on the wall my 4 different distances so that I know the heights that I'm going to drop my blood at. And for my blood, I have mixed up my blood from that recipe that I gave you, and I've just put it into a simple eyedropper bottle. However, you could also have maybe a dropper bottle available at home to you with the little food coloring bottles. Those also work. Otherwise, you could also just put some on the end of a pen, and enough so that it's about to drip off, and then lightly tap on it, and you should be able to make 1 drop. Alright, so now that we have our setup, it's time for us to start dropping blood at different heights. Alright, so now that I'm all set up, I am going to try and put my dropper bottle at the 25 mark and bring it out a bit. And try and keep that dropper bottle as straight as you possibly can. I'm just going to give it a little squeeze so that 1 drop falls out. And I'm going to continue to do that 2 more times so that I have a total of 3 blood sample splatters. Awesome. Now I'm going to do that for my other 3 heights. Alright, so now that I have my measurements, it's important that I now measure the diameter of each of my 3 blood droplets. And this is just a kind reminder to do this when it's dry, because you don't want to run through the blood markings like I'm going to. And I'm going to make a small line on the end of my circle and on the other edge. Okay, and then I'm going to measure my diameter with a ruler between those 2 droplets. So I can see that this blood droplet is about 1.9 centimeters wide. Okay. And I'm going to continue to do that for my other 2 droplets and record this information in my data table, and then do it for my other 3 trials as well. I hope this helps everybody. Good luck with Lab 1.